invite for this Mr. Gaurav Nimje sir. So we have Gaurav Nimje sir. So we have Gaurav Nimje sir with us. So I'd like to tell you about Gaurav Nimje sir. So sir is a CSE pass out from Manet 2019 batch. So sir is currently the software engineer at People Strong multinational company. So sir is already a motivational speaker from his second year of his college. Sir have given many seminar in all over the state in MP. Like he have given seminar in Indore, in IIT Indore, in Bhopal, in Ujjain, and most of the colleges. So sir is also a district topper. So we'd like to welcome sir, and we are very thankful to sir. So sir gave his time in the session. So we'd like to welcome Gaurav Nimje sir. So you can continue.
Yeah, thank you very much, Aditya and Sumit. And I was seeing the very interactive and very nice videos you showed that relate to our theme. So first of all, good evening, everyone, and very warm welcome to Inspire Orientation Program. My most hearty welcome to all of you, the young and dynamic leaders of our society have now finally appeared. बहुत बहुत स्वागत सभी का जो आज इस सेशन में आए हैं. So nice. So जैसा कि आदित्य और सुमित ये शो होस्ट कर रहे थे, वीडियो शो, तो काफी थॉट प्रोवोकिंग था, है ना, दोनों टाइप के वीडियोस. एंड हमारा सेशन भी कुछ इसी प्रकार का है और इंस्पायर का जो मोटिव है, जो गोल है, जो विजन है, वो भी इसी प्रकार का कुछ. So let's start. Okay. Before starting, let me check everything. Is my video fine? सभी को वीडियो प्रॉपर दिख रहा है? Host can at least tell me.
Yes sir.
Okay. And is my voice proper? सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? कोई disturbance?
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Okay. Okay. So are you ready? So let's start. So give me a second to just share the screen with all of you. Okay, I hope you are able to see the screen. What does it read? Okay, one thing is हम तो इतना voice interaction कर नहीं पाएंगे. Basically chat box में हम जरूर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन so I request जो भी participants हैं, they can just they can just type their replies on the chat box. Okay, so is my screen visible? Ready to go?
Yes sir. Yes sir, it's visible.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So friends, आज हम जो सेशन होस्ट करने वाले हैं उसका टाइटल है लीडरशिप प्राइड. और लीडरशिप के बारे में तो हमने बहुत बार सुन रखा है और सभी ने, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू ने कुछ सेमिनार्स भी अटेंड किए होंगे एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. और एसेस तो लिखे ही होंगे, है ना, अपने स्कूल कॉलेजेस में, स्कूल्स में. सो लीडरशिप का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है हमारी सोसाइटी में. तो जस्ट एक श्लोक के साथ स्टार्ट करना चाहूंगा भगवत गीता में से. भगवत गीता का एक श्लोक है, 3rd chapter, verse 21. Okay, I will just recite it. यद यद आचरति श्रेष्ठस् तत् तद् एवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तद् अनुवर्तते. So what does it mean? The translation goes like that: whatever action a great man performs, common men follow, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues. So Lord Krishna is instructing Arjuna, who was one of the warrior, and he was quite motivated, quite bewildered, quite confused, and that too at the time, very crucial time of what was happening? War, correct? So at that time he was confused. Can you imagine? Now at that time Krishna is telling this very basic principle of leadership, और in one way वो define कर रहे हैं कि leadership क्या होता है. तो लीडरशिप को कैसे डिफाइन कर रहे हैं? कृष्णा इज सेइंग whatever a great man performs, whatever action, जिस तरीके का आचरण, यद्यत आचरति श्रेष्ठ, जो श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति है वो जिस तरह के आचरण करता है, तत्तद एवे तरो जना, जो सामान्य जन है वो उसी को फॉलो करते हैं, है ना, कॉमन मैन फॉलो। स यत प्रमाणम, जो प्रमाण स्टैंडर्ड वो सेट करता है, कुरुते लोकस तद अनुवर्तते, जो कॉमन लोग हैं, लोक तद अनुवर्तते, फॉलो करते हैं उसको, है ना। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट एंड बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ लीडरशिप। नाउ हम सभी एक ऐसे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में आए हैं जिसमें आप नेचुरली और एक तरीके से बिना आपको पूछे भी या बिना आपके जाने भी आप एक लीडर की पोजीशन पे आ चुके हैं। अब जो कॉमन पीपल हैं वो आपको उस निगाहों से देखती हैं कि ये हमारे आइडल हैं, इन्होंने कुछ अचीव किया है, करेक्ट, और ये हमें ये हमारे जो फ्यूचर को डिसाइड करेंगे, है ना, हमारे प्रोग्रेस को डिसाइड करेंगे। सो वो देख रहे हैं कि हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू एक्ट, नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो देम, करेक्ट। So this is the basic principle. So now the leaders have very important role in the society. And what is that? Do you see what is this? ये कंपस है। मान लेते हैं कि आप एक बहुत बड़े जहाज में जा रहे हैं अटलांटिक ओशन के मध्य में, और उस टाइम पे आपके शिप में कंपस नहीं है। Now can you imagine what could be the situation? क्या उसका कोई डेस्टिनेशन है शिप का, correct? So the similar role is played by the leaders in the society. Leaders in the society decide the destination, they direct the society towards a proper goal, correct? हमारी लाइफ में सभी के पास एक गोल है, करेक्ट, एंड प्रॉपर गोल बहुत जरूरी है ताकि हम जो है जब सक्सेस अचीव कर पाए तो वो ना सिर्फ हमारे लिए बल्कि सबके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो, करेक्ट, ना सिर्फ हमारे लिए बट सबके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो, एंड दैट्स द रोल ऑफ द लीडर। सो नाउ वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड दिस इज द बेसिक फाउंडेशनल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ लीडरशिप। क्या क्या देख रहे हैं आप स्क्रीन पे? यू आर सीइंग फर्स्ट इज कमिटमेंट, second is character, and third is competence. One by one we will discuss in our session what is this. तो आप देख रहे हैं simple terms है। commitment means that a person is dedicated, he is focused, he is clear about the goal, and he is ready to go forward, correct? That is the first qualification of the leader, that leader is committed. Even do you know the famous saying, a leader is one who shows the way and goes the way, correct? He knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. So a leader is the first person to move forward towards the goal, and the common people, everyone else follows because he is committed to his goal, his destination. So that is the foundational, one of the foundational characteristic of a leader, commitment. Yeah. Second is character. Character by which means honesty, truthfulness, righteousness, the ability to win others people trust, and the most important thing is to have the proper vision so that people will be benefited, everyone will be benefited, है ना। तो ये कैरेक्टर के निशानी होती है। और कॉम्पिटेंस, अब ये सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन एक लीडर के पास स्किल सेट भी होना चाहिए अपने गोल की तरफ मूव करने के लिए, उसके पास प्रोफिशिएंसी होनी चाहिए, उसके पास ये काबिलियत होनी चाहिए कि वो पीपल को लीड कर सके। he can lead people, he can direct them, he can control them so that they can move in one direction, correct? That is the meaning of competence. And now what is the basic, these three principles of the leadership triad form the basic principles of leadership. Now commitment and competence are very readily commitment is your personal, competence is provided by the wonderful and nice arrangement of education, your practical things and training and all that. That gives you competence. But how we get character? So character is not written in the books, correct? So how we achieve it actually? And now we will see what is the importance of these three things in forming the principles of leadership. So आप सभी से मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. ओके एवरीवन, प्लीज बी अटेंटिव. एक आई चेकअप के लिए चलते हैं. मेरी आंख में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. ओके मैं थोड़ा आई चेकअप के लिए जा रहा हूँ. नाउ देयर आर टू सिचुएशंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. जैसे बहुत सारे लोग आप में से शायद गांव से आए हैं, मैं भी गांव से आया हूँ. तो एक बार मेरे आंख में कुछ दिक्कत हो गई, तो मैं दो लोगों के पास मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था कि किसके पास चेकअप करवाने जाए. तो मेरे पास दो ऑप्शंस. ओके, आर यू एबल टू सी? या सो ये जो पहला वाला ऑप्शन है, देख रहे हैं, एक डॉक्टर को, है ना, the doctor is from our village, very nice guy, very trustworthy, very बहुत सालों से हम इसको जानते हैं, गांव में बहुत जाना माना भी है ये डॉक्टर, करेक्ट, और बहुत अच्छे स्वभाव का है, वेरी नाइस. सो ही इज आवर गांव का डॉक्टर, है ना. उनके पास एक ऑप्शन है, हमारे पास, उनके पास जाके दिखा. एक है हमारे शहर के डॉक्टर, है ना. शहर के डॉक्टर वेरी वेल क्वालिफाइड, डिग्री फ्रॉम हाई यूनिवर्सिटीज, बहुत सालों का एक्सपीरियंस, बढ़िया फैसिलिटीज, हाईटेक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, गैजेट्स. ओके, तो ये सेकंड ऑप्शन है हमारे पास. अब मान लेते हैं मुझे आई चेकअप के लिए जाना. अब मेरे पास ये दो ऑप्शंस के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा. पहला ऑप्शन, जो हमारा गांव का डॉक्टर है, हम जानते हैं कि बहुत ट्रस्टवर्दी पर्सन है, ये है, बट इतना हाई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, इतनी हाई कोई डिग्री नहीं है, करेक्ट, है ना. हमारा लोकली बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करता है, करेक्ट. और सेकंड डॉक्टर के पास क्या एक दिक्कत है, ये थोड़ा लालची किस्म के है ना. तो लालची किस्म का क्या है, तो आपकी आंख के साथ साथ कुछ और भी इधर उधर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो मैं आपसे प्रश्न पूछना चाहूंगा, ठीक है, रेडी. मैं आपको ऑप्शन देता हूं कि आप इनमें से कोई एक डॉक्टर चुने. आप किसको चुनना चाहेंगे जिसके पास आप अपना आई चेकअप करवाने जाएंगे? तो श्याम बॉन्दे का सबसे पहला आया रिप्लाई फर्स्ट, एंड लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विलेज डॉक्टर. सेकंड भी आया है. ओके, सेकंड, फर्स्ट, या फर्स्ट. So second one, okay, nice, very nice. Okay. So thank you all very much for my this example what I gave you for your reply. Okay, there are many more. Okay, nice. So basically the conclusion what I get from your chat box is most of the people are saying the first person. Okay, the village doctor. Correct. Now, I will tell you one more thing. Would you really go for first option? That is the question. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या चीज है. ये डिजीज किस में है? ये मेरी आंख में है, करेक्ट. आई इज अ वेरी डेलिकेट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, करेक्ट. तो आप में से कितने सारे लोग ये रिस्क सही में लेना चाहेंगे? Do you know what is the common mentality? Common mentality is, भाई ये आंख का मामला है ना, पैसा लग जाए, लेकिन अच्छे किसी को दिखाना चाहिए, correct? Am I correct? Yeah. So how many of us are really ready to go to first doctor? Yeah? And second doctor, those who are telling to second option, let me tell you, मान लेते हैं आपकी आंख ठीक करे ना करें, क्या भरोसा है ना. Maybe the doctor knows that your eye has this problem, but he will tell कि ऐसा दिक्कत है, ऐसा दिक्कत है, 10 लाख का ऑपरेशन करवाना पड़ेगा और कोई रास्ता नहीं है ना. इस तरीके से। हो सकता है उसके बाद भी, आंख को ठीक करने के बाद भी पूरी तरीके से ठीक ना करें, है ना, ताकि आप दोबारा आते रहें, है ना। तो बहुत टफ है ना दोनों ऑप्शंस में से चूज करना कि रियली किसके पास जाएंगे, है ना। नाउ इसका एक सॉल्यूशन दूं आपको। अब मान लेते हैं कि ऐसा कोई डॉक्टर हो जो बहुत ट्रस्टवर्दी भी हो, बहुत स्किल्ड भी हो, और बहुत है ना like nice of kind of nature भी हो उसका, है ना। He will tell you the real problem and he will suggest the proper cure and everything will go very fine and honestly. How many will choose that option? Everyone, correct? Now, most of us are behind that kind of personality. In our life, we come across 4 types of people. First is neither character nor competence. Second is character but competence. Third is competence but no character, and competence with character. So इनमें से 2 चीजों के लिए हमने जो एग्जाम्पल देखा, अब इन चारों कैटेगरी को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं एक बार। फर्स्ट कैटेगरी, नाइदर कैरेक्टर नॉर कॉम्पिटेंस। ये जो पर्सनालिटी है, ओके, लेट मी सी how many of you have seen this famous personality. Everyone, I think, of you have seen this. Let me show you. Do you want to see him? Yeah. So how many of you had seen this personality? Famous ना? And I bet मैंने तो बहुत देखी है ना, और अपने कॉलेज में भी देखी है। So these are the examples of people who have neither character nor competence. So उनका कोई विजन नहीं है, कोई गोल नहीं है, and they are just correct, no use, correct, ना अपने लिए कुछ बेहतर कर सकते हैं ना दूसरों के लिए बेहतर कर सकते हैं। सेकंड, तो ये तो कोई कैटेगरी है ही नहीं, यूजलेस। सेकंड कैटेगरी की तरफ चलते हैं, कैरेक्टर बट नो कॉम्पिटेंस। अच्छा, ये भी कैरेक्टर होता है, ओके। दिस इज अ नाइस well cultured gentleman from South India, and he has this small shop of stainless steel items, and known for his very trustworthiness and बहुत सालों से अपने कस्टमर्स से बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है, and very nice guy, okay, but he doesn't have so much competence to expand his whole this store like Amazon, correct? He's not so much competent to expand like that, okay. Third category, very interesting, competence but no character. Do you want to see? Let's see. How many of you have remembered this personality? Write in the comment box. I want to see how many of you have seen. Yeah, okay, so he is Osama bin Laden. Yeah, nobody forgot, huh? So what he's known for, do you know how competent he was? Do you know how competent this personality was? This personality was so competent that he launched an attack 9/11. Whole world fears him for this, correct? So competent in the most technological advanced and most high security area of New York, America. He launched this attack, and that too amazingly in such a brilliant, like unimaginable way. Hijacked a plane and directed it to crash, correct, the World Trade Center. So that requires so much competence, of course, correct? And also, he was such a great leader. Remember, mark my words, he was such a great leader because, he was so influential that people, the terrorists, were used to follow him. Now, just see, a terrorist. मान लेते एक गुंडा ही है आपके लोकेलिटी में, एक गुंडा है, उसको कंट्रोल करना कितना डिफिकल्ट है, करेक्ट? किसकी बात मानेगा वो, है ना? अब मान लेते हैं खूंखार आतंकवादी, उसको कंट्रोल करना, ठीक है, ये तो एक बात हुई। ऐसी पूरी टीम को लीड करना, आतंकवादियों की ऐसी टीम को लीड करना, कितना हाई लीडरशिप टैलेंट चाहिए भाई, है ना। बट कैरेक्टर ना होने की वजह से क्या हो रहा है ना, व्हाट हैड ही डन, है ना, ब्रॉट मिजरी टू ऑल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, करेक्ट। नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, हिटलर. This personality was so competent, such a great leader, that alone he was able to start World War II. Correct? He started World War II. And finally, what happened by his this display was responsible for the death of more than 6 crore people. Can you imagine? So now we have seen both the examples of competence but no character. Now we will move forward. Now our final and very elite category, character with competence. इसका example तो सब देखना ही चाहेंगे, and let me show you. How many of you know him? Quick. Let's see who gives the first answer. Quick. Yeah, exactly. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Missile Man. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So now this personality, I would like to talk about his competence, correct? So competent that he made 132 crore homes in all over India. And do you know how? Do you know how? How he made 132 crore plus homes? Yeah. By the hearts of the Indians, correct? And what is his actual property? Do you know? Let me show you. 6 pants, 2 DRDO uniforms. मतलब 6 पैंट थी टोटल लाइफ में, उसमें भी 2 तो यूनिफॉर्म ही थी, ठीक है। 4 शर्ट थी, उसमें से भी 2 यूनिफॉर्म थी। तो टोटल लाइफ की बात कर रहे हैं, है ना। 3 सूट्स थे, एक वेस्टर्न 2 इंडियन, ठंड में पहनने के लिए या फंक्शंस में पहनने के लिए। मोर देन 2500 बुक्स। नाइस। लाइब्रेरी थी खुद की। एक फ्लैट था उनके पास, वो भी उन्होंने लेटर डोनेट कर दिया। 1 पद्मश्री, 1 पद्मश्री, 1 पद्म भूषण, 1 भारत रत्न एंड 16 डॉक्टरेट्स। जब अब्दुल कलाम मतलब गए थे डॉक्टरेट लेने के लिए, तो उनको एक्चुअली करने ही नहीं दिए थे पीएचडी, है ना। सो एंड नाउ व्हेन ही बिकेम सो क्वालिफाइड, देन मोर देन मैनी ऑफ द प्रेस्टिजियस जो यूनिवर्सिटीज थी ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, वो रेडी थी, है ना, उनको डॉक्टरेट ऑफर करने के लिए कि प्लीज आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन से डॉक्टरेट लीजिए। 16 doctorates. Can you imagine? So he was so competent and so wonderful character, है ना, very well known for his love and very well known for his fondness of students, and a very good motivational speaker, inspirer, and such a brilliant character. Correct. Now next example also we'll see. Do you know him? How many of you know him? Yeah, who can guess this personality? Yeah, Divyansh says Shastri ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Mohit says, yeah, exactly. So Lal Bahadur Shastri जो थे वो कौन थे? He was second Prime Minister of India. Now let me tell you one story regarding him. जो लाल बहादुर शास्त्री थे, वो एक बार उनसे एक ऑफिस में काम कर रहे होते हैं, एक बार उनसे एक पर्सन आता है और उसको 2000 रुपए मदद चाहिए होते हैं, तो वो उनसे मांगता है ना, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री से। So then the Lal Bahadur Shastri says that actually you know my salary is this much, और इतना तो मेरे घर में पूरा खर्च हो जाता है, so I don't have actually anything to give to you, like that. So the person says okay, fine. Then the person goes to actually his wife and he asks the same thing. I want this to sum of about 2,000 rupees. Can you please give me? The wife thinks for a while and then she moves inside the house and gives him 2,000 rupees. He tells him that Shastri ji told that he doesn't have, so can you give? So she gave him. Now when this news reaches Lal Bahadur Shastri, he comes to his home and asks his wife, may I know how you gave him 2,000 rupees? I thought that everything is spent in our household daily जो खर्चा होता है उसमें. तो वाइफ ने बोला नहीं 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 ऐसा नहीं है ना, एक्चुअली हमारे जो खर्च चलाने के लिए जो इनकम आपकी आती है उसमें से थोड़ा बहुत कुछ बच जाता है तो उसको मैं सेव कर लेती हूँ एक्चुअली, है ना. So do you know what Lal Bahadur Shastri did? He went to the office and wrote a letter to the government. गवर्नमेंट को लेटर लिखते हैं कि एक्चुअली मेरी वाइफ जो है वो बता रही हैं कि मेरी जो सैलरी है वो सफिशिएंट है ना, मतलब वो मोर देन सफिशिएंट है घर खर्च चलाने के लिए. तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है महोदय कि कृपया मेरी सैलरी रिड्यूस कर दें. ऐसा कोई लेटर लिख सकता है? So this much he was this much he had integrity towards his nation, right? And now one of the famous example. Do you know him? Of course, लिखा है तो सभी को पता ही चल गया होगा, है ना. मेजर ध्यानचंद is one of the world's best hockey player, है ना. Now एक बार की बात है कि जर्मनी और इंडिया का मैच हो रहा था hockey player. So they were in, I don't know which year it was happening, but the match was happening and Hitler was personally there from Germany side to witness the match and they were playing. So Major Dhyanchand, like आप में से जिनको पता होगा, हॉकी का जादूगर कहते हैं, करेक्ट. सो क्या जादू था एक्चुअली, जो बॉल रहती है हॉकी बॉल जिसको बोलते हैं वो उनकी स्टिक से अलग ही नहीं होती. इस तरह लगता है कि वो उनकी स्टिक से, जो हॉकी स्टिक है उससे चिपक गई हो बिल्कुल, है ना. और वो बिल्कुल उसको साथ में ले लेके घूमते रहते हैं इधर उधर. नाउ ये देख के, ये जब हिटलर ने देखा तो ये तो हिटलर को तो शक हो गया कि ये तो गड़बड़ आदमी है, शायद इसके हॉकी में कुछ मैग्नेट वगैरह रहती है. तो अपने बॉडीगार्ड से बोला कि इसकी जो हॉकी स्टिक है इसको तोड़ दूं, है ना. तो बॉडीगार्ड ने एज ई सेड तोड़ दिया. और लेकिन हम तो जानते भाई मेजर को क्या उससे दिक्कत थी, है ना. तो दूसरी हॉकी स्टिक लिए और फिर दनादन गोल, करेक्ट. अब और उस मैच में जो इंडिया थी 22-0 से जीता था, है ना. तो हिटलर के लिए तो बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग डिफीट होगी. सो फिर हिटलर जो थे, बिना हिटलर को एक्चुअली प्राइज देना था विनर को, जो चीफ गेस्ट होते ना वो प्राइज देते हैं, तो हिटलर थे उसमें. तो इतना उनको मतलब गुस्सा आया कि वो बिना किसी से बात के ही निकल गए. फिर उनको मेजर ध्यानचंद को अपने रूम में बुलाया. तो मेजर ध्यानचंद थोड़े चिंता हो गए कि अरे हिटलर है और गुस्सा भी है, पता नहीं क्या कर दे ना, खत्म ही कर दिया हमको. तो anyway he went and then he went inside and Hitler asked him, okay, how much does the Indian government pay for your this? जैसे आप देख रहे हैं ना, मेजर टाइटल दिया उनको. तो आर्मी में एक स्पोर्ट्समैन को रैंक दी जाती है और उसकी सैलरी दी जाती है. So he was like है ना, so he was like so he was like उनको सैलरी मिलती थी, है ना. तो इस तरीके से. तो अब मेजर ध्यानचंद उनसे बोलते हैं इतना इतना मिलता है मुझे, इस प्रकार से. तो हिटलर बोलते हैं कि मैं तुमको 10 गुना दूंगा, है ना, इसके, और ये फैसिलिटीज भी दूंगा, है ना. तो मेरे टीम से खेलो, जर्मनी की टीम से खेलो. तो मेजर ध्यानचंद तो ऑफ कोर्स ही क्लियरली सेड नो टू हिम एंड देन ही गिव मेनी रीजन. फाइनली हिटलर टोल्ड दैट आखिर इंडिया ने भाई दिया क्या तुमको, ये कोई सैलरी है, ये कोई, है ना, ये कोई फैसिलिटी है, क्या फैसिलिटी दी तुमको, करेक्ट. तो फिर जो मेजर ध्यानचंद बोलते हैं वो एक बहुत फेमस और बहुत अच्छा स्टेटमेंट बोलते हैं मैं यहाँ ये देखने के लिए नहीं हूँ कि इंडिया मुझे क्या दे रहा है, मेरा देश मुझे क्या दे रहा है ना. मैं यहाँ ये दिखाने के लिए हूँ कि मैं इंडिया भारत को क्या दे सकता हूँ, है ना. So he refused the proposal of him and moved forward, and he is recognized such a wonderful personality. Okay, so now we have discussed all these things. Now इस सब से हमको क्या लेसन मिलता है कि वो जो हम फोर्थ कैटेगरी चाहते थे ना बनना, फोर्थ कैटेगरी वो बनना चाहते हैं हम, करेक्ट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू बिकम द फोर्थ कैटेगरी ऑफ लीडर? Okay, Anirudh Hada says fourth. Yeah, nice. Okay, many of them, Shweta Gupta and Ayush and Yash and so many things. So all of us want to become the fourth category of the leader, correct? है ना, third तो नहीं बनना किसी को. Anyway, so basically the college and everything provides us with required competence, training, and everything is being facilitated. How we will achieve a good character, and that's what's going to be learn today. How we will achieve a good character, and that's we see. There are 6 difficulties or obstacles in the Vedas, in the scriptures. इसमें हमको बताते हैं ये 6 अनर्थ, इन 6 अनर्थ से हमारे एक कैरेक्टर डेवलप करने में बाधा आती है. तो इन 6 अनर्थ से जो है ना ऊपर उठता है वो एक पावरफुल कैरेक्टर पर्सनालिटी बनता है ना. Now I will also discuss some of the examples, correct? Now let's see basically what are these 6 amazing obstacles. Lust, anger, greed, envy, pride, and illusion. So friends, let's see one by one how we can overcome them and also get into little detail. Briefly, of course. The first example is lust, and I am going to show you one video. Just watch properly. I hope there is no sound in this video. Okay. So funny, huh? So now, yeah, this is one of the major problem actually that distracts us from achieving and moving towards the goal. अब आपको एक real life example देना चाहूंगा. How many of you know Maurya dynasty? चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य का नाम सुना है सभी ने? In the history and in चाणक्य का, of course. ठीक है. So thank you for your response. तो एक बार क्या होता है, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य एक जो उस टाइम चंदू थे, है ना, बॉय. So he was being trained by Chanakya. So he went to, while he was being trained, he went to one of the, I exactly don't remember, एक कोई राजा थे, उनके किंगडम में जाते हैं, तो वहां प्रिंसेस रहती हैं. तो प्रिंसेस को जब देखते हैं तो he becomes very attracted and he actually then, because he was very surrendered to Chanakya, वो आके बताते हैं अपनी जो फीलिंग्स है वो बताते हैं चाणक्य की. चाणक्य आचार्य में, है ना, राजा की पुत्री से, है ना, बहुत आकर्षण है मुझे, है ना, मैं उससे विवाह करना चाहता हूँ, इस प्रकार से. तो चाणक्य फिर भी मतलब जो चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य है फिर भी पूछते हैं कि क्या ये गलत है, इस प्रकार से पूछते हैं. तो चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य जानते हैं क्या रिप्लाई देते हैं? नहीं वत्स, ये तो बिल्कुल गलत नहीं है ना, एक स्त्री और पुरुष के बीच में है ना अट्रैक्शन होना, ये तो बहुत ही आम बात है, कोई इसमें गलत नहीं है. लेकिन ये तुम्हारे लिए गलत है. व्हाई? बिकॉज तुम्हें अखंड भारत का सम्राट बनना है, इसलिए तुम्हारे लिए गलत है. So it's very, very important. If we have to achieve something big and something determined, it's all very, very necessary to overcome this factor of lust in us. And that's why we overcome this by developing determination. How we develop determination? By increasing and sharpening our intelligence. Not वो वाला intelligence नहीं, है ना, कि कोडिंग में आप कितने अच्छे हैं या कितनी अच्छे से जीके आपने याद कर ली है. है ना, वो वाला इंटेलिजेंस नहीं, है ना. दिस इज द बेसिक, है ना, स्पिरिचुअल इंटेलिजेंस व्हाट वी कॉल, है ना, दैट डेवलप्स आवर कैरेक्टर बाय रीडिंग स्क्रिप्चर्स. जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं उनको फॉलो करने से जो डिटर्मिनेशन आता है ना, उनकी बातें कर रहे हैं. तो अपनी इंटेलिजेंस को शार्प करने से डिटर्मिनेशन आता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, एंगर. आई होप very common, correct. Now let me show you one video. I hope sound I have shared. Please see carefully.
Quitting smoking is not easy. If you are serious about it, talk to your doctor.
Okay, so I hope सबको मैसेज तो मिल ही गया. So कैसे कंट्रोल करेंगे एंगर को? Anger is controlled by calmness. Calmness comes from, है ना, meditation, है ना. Next, I'll move little quickly. Greed, and of course this greed problem is very common. And let me give you one example. Do you know कितना खर्चा आता है एक डॉक्टर को तैयार करने में, MBBS डॉक्टर को तैयार करने में? How much the person has to pay? How many of you know? Can you tell? 1 crore? Well, yeah, 50 lakhs, somebody said. Yeah. थोड़ा नियर अबाउट 50 lakhs, है ना, एक डॉक्टर को तैयार करने, MBBS डॉक्टर. अब मान लेते हैं आप वो स्टूडेंट है या जो भी है स्टूडेंट, है ना, मिनिमम इतना तो आता ही है ना, कि 80 मतलब इतना 30-35 लाख तो लगता ही है, चाहे गवर्नमेंट में भी हो. ठीक है. नाउ आई होप, अब आप मान लेते हैं एक स्टूडेंट है, अब मान लेते हैं आप डॉक्टर बन चुके हैं. अब आप जैसे ही अपने डॉक्टर वाले सीट पे बैठते हैं, क्या मेंटालिटी होगी आपकी? विथ व्हाट डिजायर, with what motivation you are sitting there? 50 lakhs I have invested to become doctor. अब ये 50 लाख तो निकालना ही है ना, 50 करोड़ तो निकालना ही है किसी भी हालत में. ठीक है. So that is the main thing. And how we overcome this, है ना. So he sacrifices he can go to any extent, है ना, जो हम डॉक्टर का ही एग्जांपल डिस्कस किया ना हमने उसी में. So need not to explain more. So greed can be controlled by satisfaction, developing inner satisfaction, है ना, knowledge. Next, envy. Envy को हम टॉलरेट करते हैं कॉपरेशन से. अब एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा. डू यू नो हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ एप्पल? एप्पल कॉर्पोरेशन के फाउंडर कौन है? को-फाउंडर, को-फाउंडर स्टीव जॉब्स. एग्जैक्टली. आइंस्टाइन कौन बोल रहे हैं? नाइस, थैंक्स, नाइस जोक. So Steve Jobs was one of the co-founders. And one story, आपको पता ही है कि उनको अपने कंपनी से ही निकाल दिया गया था. So let me tell you, one of the जो है ना इक्वल एम्प्लॉय थे, इक्वल स्टेटस पे जो थे, he was very envious of this Steve Jobs, है ना, उनको बहुत जलन थी उनसे, ईर्ष्या थी. So what he did, in the company he propagated some kind of rumor against him. Now what happened is that this leadership or the council then finally they made him out of the company, Steve Jobs. And then after he went, Apple suffered such a huge loss. Like, anyway, that was the first part. Then now what happened? Steve Jobs was, when he was like doing some, his company Pixar, I think he was developing that time. Now Bill Gates also called him, correct, and who was also developing his Microsoft Corporation. And then they actually cooperated together and worked together. And by that cooperation, what happened? Both of them got a very huge uplift. Both of them बहुत अच्छे से अपने career में आगे बढ़े. Microsoft also raised, and Steve Jobs was called back in Apple, and both of them like went on huge, big achievements. Correct. So this envy and cooperation, you see, basic thing, envy leads to, है ना, नुकसान, है ना, destruction, and cooperation leads to building, है ना, correct, cooperation. Next, so, है ना, how important leadership, pride, and इसका अगर सबसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल मैं देना चाहूँ अगर कोई है, so he is, है ना, रावण, correct. How? Let me tell you. रावण जो थे इतना घमंड में चूर थे कि उनको बार बार, है ना, सभी ने चेतावनी दी कि भाई इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, है ना, टू विन ओवर राम, लॉर्ड राम। देखिए सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था, है ना, सबसे पहले हनुमान आए थे, तो उन एक सिंगल मंकी ने, है ना, क्या हालत की आप सब जानते हैं, ठीक है। तो उस टाइम पे ही चेतावनी दे दी थी विभीषण ने उनको, बट वो नहीं माने, ठीक है। फिर सेकेंड टाइम क्या हुआ, जो सेना थे वो, उन्होंने राम सेतु बना दिया और वो क्रॉस करके आ गए, है ना, ये सेकंड वार्निंग थी उनके लिए, ठीक है। फिर सुग्रीव भी गए, फिर अंगद भी गए, ऐसे मतलब एक पर्सनालिटी गए अभी तक, ठीक है। और फिर मतलब विभीषण उनको मनाते मनाते थक गए, फाइनली विभीषण ने उनको छोड़ दिया कि अब तो इसका विनाश पक्का है ना। एंड देन फाइनली व्हाट हैपेंड, वन बाय वन ऑल ऑफ हिज सन्स डाइड, है ना, जितने भी उनके बेटे थे सब गए काम से। फाइनली उनके ब्रदर कुंभकर्ण आल्सो डाइड। सो इतना जानने के बाद भी मतलब ये सरेंडर करने की तैयारी नहीं है ना। सो व्हाट्स द बेसिक, सो इतना घमंडी था वो। this can be counteracted by becoming humble, correct? Yeah, so we discussed and the 5 things, and last ये पिक्चर ध्यान से देखिए, इस पिक्चर को, इसको हम अपने डिवाइस सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे, यहाँ नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे। एनीवे, so let's move forward. So all of these great personalities we saw in history who have wonderful leadership qualities as well as wonderful character, correct? इनमें कॉम्पिटेंस भी था, कैरेक्टर भी था, एंड इन सब के पीछे डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम, महात्मा गांधी, ये है ना, शिवाजी, है ना, चाणक्य, इन सब के पीछे एक बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स क्या था, है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ कैरेक्टर दे वर, है ना, वेरी डिटरमाइंड। और उसके पीछे क्या था, स्पिरिचुअल स्ट्रेंथ थी उनके पास, जिसकी वजह से वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर डेवलप कर पाए। सो आवर फाइनल कंक्लूजन इन दिस सेशन इज character is even important than competence. But my dear friends, what inspire moves one more forward step ahead, and that is character with competence makes you a perfect leader. So thank you all very much for your for patient listening, and I hope you got this lesson from this presentation of what it wants, what it means to have to become a leader with character and competence, and that is the aim of Inspire. ये है vision Inspire का, to make leaders with character and competence, skills, will, है ना, and feel, सबसे leader बनाना. So now I would like to hand over to our host Aditya and Sumit, and thank you all very much for joining us.
So thanks a lot, Gaurav sir, for this wonderful session. So hope everyone is inspired from this session of character and competence, and everyone is very enthusiastic to increase his character and competence one. So we'll have Praveen Tiwari sir. So I would like to request Praveen Tiwari sir to come up. So I'll tell about Praveen Tiwari sir to all of you. So Praveen Tiwari sir is one of our senior from Inspire. So he's a alumnus of Inspire. He passed out in 2020, year 2020 from Manage CSE. Sir is currently working at Persistent System, a multinational company. And sir is a very good manager. Like you have heard of GLC, Gita Leadership Course. So sir is one of the top leader who is managing Gita Leadership Course. So we have Praveen Tiwari sir. So we'll request Praveen sir to come and like give a brief about our sessions, like how we are going to conduct, Inspire is going to conduct in a full year. Praveen sir. Uh,
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Adit sir. And Sumit sir is there. And obviously, one of my favorite, Gaurav sir, all-time favorite. So I'm very fortunate that I'm getting constant association and lecture, guidance, counseling by Gaurav sir, as Gaurav sir is 1 year senior from Manit itself. And a very warm welcome to everyone from Triple IT and SATI. So wonderful to see you again, but I can't see you. So I want to see you. So please on your video so that I can see you. And let's see. Sumit sir will count the number of faces from SATI and Adit sir from Triple IT. And let us see the beautiful faces and the biggest smile.
So let's
Wow.
Triple IT win the race. So everyone from Triple IT, come on, open your switch on your videos.
And what about SATI?
Ayush, okay, one. We are counting. Okay, Ashutosh, Rohit. Okay, keep going on.
Okay, I can see more number of triple ITs.
Yeah, Triple IT is going to win, sir.
Okay, what about Sumit sir? आपके SATI?
I can see students. I don't like. Okay.
Okay. Actually, we can. Yeah. So someone can. मेरी आवाज repeat हो रही है. Okay, now fine. So someone can take a selfie. Selfie means capture the screen so that we can have some wonderful faces with a smile like Anirudh. And नहीं नहीं ये सेल्फी नहीं होती है, स्क्रीन कैप्चर होते हैं क्या है यार. ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट कोई ले सकता है. ओके, थैंक यू. सो वी विल स्टार्ट द सेशन, बट बिफोर दैट आप लोगों ने बहुत कैरेक्टर कॉम्पिटेंस सुन लिया. अभी देखते हैं थोड़ा भी एंथुसियास्ट कितना है. So we will start our session first from some icebreaker question. I'm just telling you how our session will continue. अभी 15 मिनट में आप लोग का समय लूंगा, तो प्लीज अपना 15 मिनट हमें दीजिए और बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. इस 15 मिनट में सबसे पहले मैं आपसे कुछ आइस ब्रेकर क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. इसमें आप देखते हैं कि आप में से कौन कितना फास्ट है. ठीक है. एंड देन नेक्स्ट वी आर मूविंग अहेड टू शो व्हाट आर द इवेंट्स दैट वी यूज टू डू इन इंस्पायर. Inspire is actively present in various colleges, mainly in Manit, Triple IT, SATI, Oriental, LNCT, and so many colleges in Bhopal. Okay, and then moving ahead, what is for you? आप लोगों के लिए इस साल क्या है और हमने कुछ प्लान किया है पर्सनली आप लोगों के लिए, तो दैट आई विल शोकेस. एंड देन नेक्स्ट, ये वीडियोस बंद हो रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड देन मूविंग अहेड नेक्स्ट, I will tell you how you can join us and what are the benefits and what are the special thing that Inspire provide to you, and then how you can join us. So that will be and later on at the last I will take few questions, only few questions. Yeah, so starting with some icebreaker question. तो आपके चैट बॉक्स में ये पहला क्वेश्चन जा रहा है और देखते हैं सबसे फास्ट आंसर किसका आता है. ओह सॉरी, मैंने सिर्फ होस्ट को कर रखा है, एवरीवन को करना पड़ेगा. सॉरी, मैं वही तो सोच रहा हूँ, रिस्पॉन्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे. मिल्क पराठा और आलू का पराठा, पोहा। ये पोहा और आलू पराठा इज वेरी फेमस है, आजकल घर में यही बन रहा है। पानी पी लिया। और एक ने, एक तो फास्टिंग थी, एक की क्या बोला, कुछ नहीं खाया सर सुबह से। ओके, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। आपको कुछ याद है, आपने कुछ खाया, चाय पिया, दूध पिया, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। जस्ट स्टे। अभी इस क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा सोचना है। लेट अस सी हु गिव्स द आंसर फर्स्ट। व्हाट इज द रैंडम एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस यू डिड फॉर अ स्ट्रेंजर? A random act of kindness that you did for a stranger. Oh, someone had smiled. Cross money, respect, help, give a lift, help. What is the random act? Handshake कर लिया, क्या बात है। Oh हो, very nice. Namaste. Next question. Okay. Thank you. Next, what is the most challenging thing you have done in your life? What is the most challenging thing you have done in your life? Nothing. एग्जाम देते हैं। फियर, वेकअप, जेई एडवांस, जेई कॉलेज, नहाया, वाह ठंडियों में नहाया, क्या बात है। अटेंडिंग द सेमिनार, जेई सबसे टफ वर्क था, सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट। ओके, एडमिशन इन ट्रिपल आईटी सबसे डेंजरस। बहुत अच्छा। इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं, जेई मेंस। ओके, नाउ द लास्ट, दिस इज the last, and I am hoping that I will get the answer from everyone this time. Assignment in college, क्या बात है, सबसे टफ वर्क है। What is your favorite emoji? Once again. Oh, a smile and a smile. Thank you. I can see the smile on your faces more than the emoji. So thank you everyone. आप लोगों के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगा। लगातार इमोजी और बहुत सारे कुछ आ रहे हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो एक छोटा सा आइस ब्रेकर था। Let's begin our session. My screen is visible. Someone can confirm. Adit sir?
Yeah, it's visible, sir.
Okay, तो आप लोग रेडी हैं? Are you ready? So, very famous quote from IDEO Koinikan. पता नहीं कैसा नाम है। The mind is just like a muscle. The more you exercise, the stronger it gets. The more it can expand. है ना? तो अभी हम अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं कि हम इंस्पायर में क्या क्या करते हैं। Because there are number of societies, number of things that used to go on, that used to happen. But the special thing about Inspire is that Inspire is a society of 360 degree. A.B. de Villiers का नाम सुने ना? So there are plenty of societies, plenty of clubs, plenty of people who will be doing so many things, either technical or social or spiritual. But Inspire is a single society which works for all the things. Let us have a look. Technical, PowerPoint presentation, Photoshop, video editing, web designing, programming languages like C, C++, Java, and Python. Then framework like React, Angular. Technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, and we are going to start just soon placement series and coding. So these are the things, these are some of the things that we used to cover in our technical. और आप लोग और भी कुछ सजेशन आएगा तो इसमें हम जरूर ऐड कर लेंगे। Obviously, apart from this is the thing which I am showing especially for the CSE, IT, EC based student and others who are like very much interested in those subjects. But obviously, we are also planning and moving ahead to start our very special sessions for the student who are aspiring either for the GATE examination or thinking and willing to start their preparation for the UPSC, है ना? ये हमारा separate project है and that we will discuss with you maybe next time, ठीक है? And then moving ahead, what are the spiritual things that we will do? Discover yourself. ये अभी सेशन जो अभी जल्द से जल्द स्टार्ट होने वाला है, उसके बाद होता है that is called MMC. Moving ahead to meditation, Vedic wisdom and philosophy, Bhagavad Gita reading, and after that trips and trekking. बहुत सारे लोगों ने trips and trekking डाल रखी है, obviously सबको पसंद है. So these are some of the things that we used to do spiritually. Then moving ahead to personal and social things, presentation and seminar. Just like today's session was based on presentation and seminar given by our very most famous, very beloved Gaurav sir. And so this is one of the session, and we have a plenty of session like this. And obviously I hope that you like. How many of it like the today's session? किस किस को आज का सेशन पसंद आया? क्या बात है, आई लाइक, बहुत अच्छा. मी अहम अमेती. Okay, so this is this is one of the session, and I am telling you there are plenty of session like this are going to come based on like power of habits, mind control, and so many things like happiness. मतलब आपको सच में आपको इतना अच्छा लगने वाला है, इतने प्रेजेंटेशन, इतना अच्छा कंटेंट है ऑब्वियसली, और हमारे सीनियर का इतना सपोर्ट है, एंड ऑल दिस फॉर यू. मूविंग अहेड, देन बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट होते हैं जिनको रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, दे यूज्ड टू थिंक कि जिनका इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग थोड़ा लो होता है, और ऑब्वियसली आपको पता है कि आज के समय में लाइक कितना रिक्वायरमेंट है इंग्लिश का. सो वी विल बी आल्सो डूइंग सम सेशन ऑन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, and we will make such an environment where people themselves will like collaborate or talk among each other in English itself. Then moving ahead to group discussion or public speaking, and just like I had mentioned, this is some of the personal, and in on social level we are doing like visiting to old age home or to the orphan home, so that whatever we had learned or whatever I have, or how we can spread the love, the happiness with each other. Then obviously we used to conduct so many events, and so many events as you can see this on the board, and obviously many of the things that you may not be knowing, like GLC, Gita Leadership Contest, and like Techno Search, and so many things are there. And obviously if you will be the part of this, you will be managing all those stuffs like Aditya sir, Sumit sir, and many others are doing. So these are the things that is basically we do as an Inspire team. And next I am moving ahead to show how we had planned for you. Slide show is pretty great. धन्यवाद. ये भी हम आपको सिखाएंगे कैसे स्लाइड्स बनाते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो देख सकते हैं पावर पॉइंट भी है ना, तो ये जो भी है ये भी आप सीखेंगे. ओके, देन मंथली प्लान. हमारा मंथली प्लान क्या है, अभी हमने कैसे आप लोग के लिए प्लान किया है. फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून के लिए मैं आपको 4-5 महीने का अगले दिखा देता हूं कि हमने आपके लिए कैसे प्लान किया है, और एक्स्ट्रा इसके बाद अगले सेमेस्टर में क्या स्पेशल चीजें रहेंगी वो भी हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग, कैरेक्टर एंड कॉम्पिटेंस. I guess this session has been done today by Gaurav sir. So this was the first session that we had planned in February, and we had started our journey. Later on we will be also doing Discover Yourself session. इसके बाद जो अगला सेशन है Discover Yourself, जैसा कि आज सर ने बताया कि हमारे लाइफ में कैरेक्टर और कॉम्पिटेंस की कितना आवश्यकता है, तो इसी पे बेस्ड हमारा फर्स्ट सेशन Discover Yourself, because we should know who we are, है ना. पहले हमें अपने को अच्छे से समझना है. So this is the session which is quite related, comes under the category of spirituality, and obviously some on personal level. So this is very important session. It will be having 4 sessions, and you will get to learn a lot of things. We will be providing you the PPTs, we will be providing you the notes, and so many stuffs. So this is my humble request to everyone to join those sessions, and I am telling you that you are going to learn a lot of things. And those session was designed by IIT Bombay team, and now obviously it is for us and for you. Then moving ahead, so this character and competence comes under the personal category that we had started today. Discover Yourself will come under the spiritual things that we are going to just start after this session, next session. And then obviously this month itself, the technical things that we are going to start: PowerPoint, Photoshop, video editing, and placement intro series. So I hope that you all will be joining us. You will all be continuing with us. So please be focused. This is our February month calendar. And अभी मैं मार्च, अप्रैल और मई, जून का थोड़ा सा तेजी से बताऊंगा. मार्च में देख सकते हैं we will be starting on the personal level, power of habit and happiness. These are the 2 very special topics, and I am telling you it will totally change the way we used to pursue the thing. it will change the way how we used to think over certain aspect. This is very important. Please join us. Then moving ahead to MMC and meditation, again the part of the spirituality, because आज के समय में जैसा तीन चीजें बहुत ही आवश्यक हैं अगर हमें कुछ करना है, तो one is determination, patience and enthusiasm. So this MMC and meditation actually helps from interior of ourselves to develop the patience, है ना? तो that will be covered under MMC and meditation. And next, on the technical level, we will be starting our programming languages and web designing basics. Web designing, I had told basic means I will be covering inside it HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay. And then moving ahead to April, we will be starting presentation and seminar and English speaking, Vedic wisdom and philosophy. Obviously, if you wish to take the screenshot of that, or I guess Aditya sir will share you in your group. So these will be the session. मैं थोड़ा सा भी फास्ट चल रहा हूँ. Vedic wisdom and philosophy. There are so many types of philosophy because हमें कहीं ना कहीं नॉलेज के साथ में एक थिंक पैड बनने की आवश्यकता है, थिंक टैंक बनना है, जहां पे हम अपने विचारों को रख ही नहीं सकते हैं, जबकि अगर वो सही है तो उसको हम जस्टिफाई कर सके, प्रूव कर सके. सो फॉर दैट फिलोसफी इज वेरी essential. And then again technical programming language and web designing, because web designing will take a lot of time because we are covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript and so many things. And then moving ahead in May and June month, we are thinking to have our presentation and seminar that will continue. We will start our Bhagavad Gita reading session because you are going to get to learn a lot of things. As Lord Krishna himself told in Bhagavad Gita, Jnanam te aham vijnanam vakshami avasesata. And avasesata. So there is a complete set of philosophy and complete understanding that we will get from Bhagavad Gita sessions. So that will be started in May, June. And then because you had already covered some portion of web designing and so much things, so we will start our basics projects in the month of May and June. And obviously we had also planned for you trips and trekking. Like we will use to visit Haridwar or Vrindavan or some places like where we can have those steps. So this is our monthly calendar for next few months. Now, what is the special thing that we are thinking or willing or planning to provide you? Oh, very nice. Kedarnath, हाँ सब चलेंगे, वहीं चलेंगे. ठीक है. Next, every year we visit to IIT to learn technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning. Actually, हमारे जितने भी courses होते हैं, जितने भी programs होते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं वो 360 degree provide करने का aim होता है. मतलब हम एक ही program में सब कुछ provide करते हैं. So that is the very special thing about Inspire. है ना? तो जो भी लोग हमारे
Okay, hello everyone. I think like Praveen sir, there is some technical internet problem. Okay, so like you might have got the basics for that, like what Praveen sir shared with you. So what we all are going to cover in our session. So for Q&A session, okay, Praveen sir is here. Okay, Praveen sir can continue.
Sorry, because of some net issue, I was disconnected. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Fine. Then we are again covering a series of presentation and seminar, as I told earlier. And what is the very special thing that we are starting from this year onwards for all the students, for the Inspire students, a special council from alumni for the personal coach care and counseling. Just like in every field, everyone requires someone who can guide them. And especially there are three things that is required. किसी को अगर किसी का कोच बनना है, how we can ourselves choose a coach? उसके लिए तीन कंडीशन होती है. पहली कंडीशन होती है वो सेम फील्ड का होना चाहिए, उसे हमसे ज्यादा नॉलेज हो, उससे हमें ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, और दैट पर्सन मस्ट बी डूइंग द थिंग्स सेल्फलेसली. 3 रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. So obviously we are not going to ऐसा हम कुछ आपके लिए पर्सनली अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, आपको कुछ चार्ज नहीं कर रहे हैं. The only thing that we require from you is that your sincere effort. Then moving ahead, we are also launching on another thing, that special gifts to topper and excellence in various fields, like we are doing continuously, will be doing as I told, technical, spiritual, and all the things. So every month we'll be taking some test or something like that, and for the toppers we will be providing very special gift. So this is what we have planned for you all. And now what is the requirement now? Who can join us and how can join us, है ना? So the thing is that actually in the month of May, June, or we used to recruit students, and obviously recruit for either Tech Spurti and as well as for the Inspire. But the thing that is required, as I told, 3 things that is required: determination, enthusiasm, and patience, है ना? So first we are going to choose the toppers of their respective branches, 3 toppers of their respective branches, obviously, because whoever is the topper, he must be very determined, he must be very sincere in his studies. So 3 toppers from every section will get a special privilege. But not only that, we will be also selecting the student, or most of the students will be from our second category, means those who will be sincere. Sincere means those who will be attending our all session, because from the next session, from the device discover yourself session, we are going to take your attendance too. So 2 things that is required. Pehla, 2 things that is very important for success: sincerity and seriousness. Sincerity and seriousness. Sincerity means you are attending the sessions very carefully, noting those all the points and practicing. And sincerity and seriousness. Seriousness means you are coming, you are attending the sessions with great seriousness. So at the end, or 2 month or 3 month, as we will be taking test and all the things, so in this way we will be selecting the students from you. But the one and the only requirement from our side, that you should be sincere and serious. So these are the things that like how you will be you can join us. So okay, so that's it from our side. Now I will take few of the question if you have, and then we can finish, or I will hand over to Aditya sir. So just 2 or 3 questions from you.
Like if anyone
किसी का
has some question, he can post in the chat box. I will read from there and he'll tell the answer.
Yeah, as I can say, सब ट्रिप सबसे पहले ट्रिप पे ही पहुंचे हैं. पढ़ाई लिखाई छोड़ो, नहीं ट्रिप पे जाना है. Okay, पहला क्वेश्चन है, ट्रिप will be self financed? हाँ, yeah, obviously, because these all the things that we are doing it from our side, and because we want to help you all guys, and it is not that we will be getting something from the college side or from anywhere, and that is the reason it had become an inter college or inter, that is how we are going to continue, because we ourselves being an Inspire student, we want to help people how we are helped. So in the same way, so these things will be self-financed, means those who will be going with us, they will be paying, and obviously the charges will be very, very minimal, as you yourself can book from your side and you can visit with us. So that we will see, because it will be done 3-4 years, months later, not year. Sir, who can join the Inspire? As I told, every one of you have the same equal opportunity to join Inspire. There is nothing very special. 2 things I told. One is the 3 toppers from every section. First thing, they can have the directly opportunity, and second thing, those will be sincere and serious, who will be attending the sessions, and we will be conducting some tests and something. Those who will be attending all those things and have a good in all those steps, we will be continuing, because we will be providing so many things, some placement series and some courses that you have to cover from the Udemy, that you have to cover, that you have to complete. So in this we will be selecting. But obviously ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई limited seat है कि हम इतने ही बच्चों को साथ जाना चाहते हैं, इतने बच्चों करेंगे. अगर हमें एक सीरियस भी स्टूडेंट मिल गया, that is more than sufficient. अगर 100 भी रहते हैं तो no worry, we will be selecting everyone. What is Inspire exactly? So basically, Inspire is a club. Inspire is a club. As in every college, we have some clubs. Similarly, in Inspire, it is in Manit, it is in Oriental, it is many colleges. Okay. So like I'm SATI, many are from other colleges. So how will we work together in a team despite of being in different colleges from different cities? Just like we all are doing. Like personally, I am from Manit, Gaurav sir from Manit, Aditya from Triple IT, and Kalas and Sumit from SATI, and we have other team members from different colleges. So we used to have some regular monthly something events where we all used to meet with each other, or else everything is online. So in this way, we used to meet up and do the works. Okay. Sir, any internship from okay, sorry, I forgot those stuffs. Yeah, in the third semester, those who will be having very sincere, we are also planning, because we will be providing the courses, and those who will be completing very seriously, we are thinking to provide internship in the month of the December. This December that will be coming, 2021 December. There will be some seats, some availability of internship, and we will be helping you all. Okay. Maybe contact with you all personally if we need you. Yeah, in the ICC, Inspire Coach and Counseling System, we will do in either in the April month, most probably in the April month, क्योंकि मुझे पता है आज बहुत भीड़ है, 150 लोग हैं हो सकता है, पर अप्रैल तक हमारे साथ हो सकता है जो कुछ 40 50 60 ही लोग बचेंगे. Then we are thinking that we have a very huge members, team member, alumni cell, है ना, जहाँ पे 20-30 हमारे 40 क्या बोलते हैं कनेक्टेड और बहुत ही लाइक कनेक्टेड सीनियर्स हैं या फिर मेरे बैचमेट्स हैं, जहाँ पे आई विल बी डिवाइडिंग द ग्रुप्स. मान लीजिए हमारे पास 50 बच्चे आते हैं, तो 50 में हम 5-5 को बच्चों को देख देंगे, और जो सीनियर्स रहेंगे वी विल बी कनेक्ट देम विद द सीनियर्स और like our personally my batchmates, and they will be guiding with you personally they will be guiding to you, they will be personally guiding in your life in all aspect, either it is your personal, either it is your academics, either it is your anything spiritual or social, whatever it is, you know. Actually we are starting these things from this year only. The reason is that because personally I had seen that there are a lot of students who had faced or who don't have the knowledge of so many things because of this lockdown period, you know. Or I can see there are so many students who are find themselves in a depressed, frustrated, or sometimes because of anything, because of so many things. So we will be guiding them. That is the reason we are starting this Inspire Coach and Counseling, ICC, Inspire Coach and Counseling System. Okay. Maybe contact with you all personally. Obviously you can contact. Sir, will Inspire help us to get internship or placement? Why we are doing so much technical things? Obviously for the placement itself. Sir, मुझे gate clear करना है. Please help me. Yeah, we'll be doing some further session and I will be guiding there. Sir, your LinkedIn ID, you can search out me, Praveen Tiwari, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, wherever. Sir, मुझे gate clear करना है. इतना ज़्यादा करना है, ज़्यादा बात करना है, 5-6 बात करना है. Maybe contact you all personally. Okay, sir, like if you are working project, some of the teammates has envy, so how we can deal with him? That's why we used to do. See, there are plenty of 30, 40, 50, 60 members in Inspire every year from different colleges. And there is neither a single case where people have envious nature or so many things. The reason is that just in the today's session as discussed by Gaurav sir, we are continuing doing some spiritual things, some social things, and so many things where we are helping. We are in a team to help each other, not to do envy. And please continue with us, and you will actually realize in your real life that how everything is managed, how it is maintained. Sir, Inspire session कब से start होगा? Just like today is the first session. Okay, Aditya sir will tell you about the devices, next session devices, and later on, before in this month itself, we will be starting our placement series, है ना? But in every session we will be taking attendance in every session.
Okay.
Well, Aditya, yeah, what about timing? Is there anything?
Yes, like we have a time limit for the questions. So I'll be sharing the numbers of the college coordinators. So if anyone has some query regarding the character and competence session, so we have Gaurav Nimji sir. So we can answer like 1 or 2 questions, or then we'll end up here.
No, I guess fine. Most of the questions are like that only. So in case it is required, we can have some further session where we can join and we can discuss it more. Will you please again take the attendance? From the next session, from the device itself session, we'll be taking attendance in every session. So, okay, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. for joining, and thank you everyone for tolerating me because मैंने आप लोगों का बहुत समय लिया. So thank you.
So we'll
फिर मिलेंगे
thank
जल्दी.
Praveen sir and Gaurav sir. So they will be leaving. So if further you have some doubts, I'll share the number of Sumit sir and mine. So students can contact at this number. No? So you can, so if you can see this number, so you can directly message us on this number. So we'll solve your query. Okay. For triple IT students, you can contact me. For SATL students, you can contact Sumit sir. Okay. Okay, so regarding the query, like if you can, you will get certificates or not. So yeah, we will be providing the certificates. So from the next day, when we are starting device, you will get a separate certificate for device. And if you qualify the device and continue in further sessions, so we'll take you to IIT Kanpur. If you qualify, we will take you to IIT Kanpur, and you will have a 1 week stay there at IIT Kanpur. So we will get the certificate of from the signed professor of IIT Kanpur also. Okay, any more doubts? So have everyone noted down this number so that I can close the screen? Okay, so it seems that everyone have got. Okay, so yeah, you all can leave. So we'll notify you regarding the our next sessions in your groups, respective groups. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you Gaurav, Mohit, Nikhil. Thank you everyone who participated with great enthusiasm. We expect this enthusiasm in next sessions also. Thank you everyone.